Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Ready to elevate your graphic design work to professional heights? Welcome to our deep dive into the Best Monitor for Graphic Design 2025, where precision meets performance in our top picks for this year. If you're passionate about pixel perfection and true-to-life colors, this review is crafted just for you. We explore monitors that bring out the finest details and richest colors, essential for photo editing, digital art, and everything in between. Whether you're looking for the crispest 4K resolution or the most budget-friendly options that still deliver quality, we've got you covered. Join us as we unveil monitors that promise to transform your creative workflow, enhancing every project with stunning visual clarity. Get ready to choose a monitor that not only matches, but boosts your graphic design prowess. Number 5. Samsung 27 inches ViewFinity S9 Series 5K Computer Monitor Review. Ideal for graphic design, 2025. The Samsung 27 inches ViewFinity S9 series stands out as a top contender in the Best Monitor for Graphic Design 2025, combining advanced features with sleek design to meet the needs of modern creative professionals. This monitor's 5K resolution is a game-changer, offering unprecedented detail and clarity that can elevate any graphic design project. One of the standout features of the ViewFinity S9 is its Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, providing lightning-fast data transfer speeds that are essential for handling large graphic files and complex design tasks efficiently. Additionally, the inclusion of DisplayPort and a matte display ensures that the monitor can deliver consistent color accuracy and reduce glare, which is crucial for designers who spend long hours perfecting their work. The slim metal design not only adds a touch of elegance to your workspace, but also features a 4K slim-fit camera, perfect for virtual meetings and collaboration with clients and team members. The integration of smart TV apps and a gaming hub also makes this monitor a versatile tool, suitable for both work and play. Overall, the Samsung 27 inches ViewFinity S9 provides robust functionality and superb image quality, making it an excellent choice for graphic designers seeking a reliable and high-performing monitor in 2025. Its combination of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features ensures it meets the rigorous demands of the creative industry. Number 4. BenQ PD 3220, a graphic designer's dream monitor for 2025 inches. The BenQ PD 3220 U32 inches. 4K UHD monitor is tailor-made for graphic designers and creative professionals, making it an ideal choice for those searching for the best monitor for graphic design 2025. This monitor stands out with its precision color accuracy and comprehensive coverage of color gamuts, crucial for high-stakes design work. Equipped with 100% Rec.709 and sRGB and 95% P3 color spaces, the PD 3220U delivers exceptionally accurate colors, ensuring that what you see on screen is as close as possible to your final output. This accuracy is further supported by a Delta UM3 value and Pantone validation, making this monitor a reliable tool for projects that demand color precision. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 3 connectivity allows for seamless integration with MacBook setups, offering a fast, versatile connection that can handle data transfer and charging through a single cable. This feature, combined with USB-C and a generous USB hub, provides ample connectivity for all your devices, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. Moreover, the PD 3220U is not only functional but also user-friendly, featuring ergonomic adjustments and a calibration report right out of the box. Whether adjusting the tilt, swivel, or height, this monitor is designed for comfort during long design sessions. Overall, the BenQ PD 3220U is more than just a monitor. It's a critical tool for any graphic designer looking to produce their best work in 2025. Its superior color fidelity, advanced connectivity options, and ergonomic design make it a standout choice in the competitive field of graphic design monitors. Number 3. ViewSonic VP 3268A 4K Precision and Comfort for Graphic Designers in 2025. The ViewSonic VP 3268A 4K 32-inch monitor is engineered to meet the exacting standards of professional graphic designers, marking it as a prime choice for Best Monitor for Graphic Design 2025. This 4K UHD IPS monitor combines top-tier visual performance with user-centric features to enhance productivity and creative work. With 100% sRGB and Rec. 709 color coverage, The VP3268A4K ensures a wide color gamut and superb accuracy, crucial for tasks that demand precision in color-critical applications. The inclusion of a 14-bit 3D LUT further enhances color blending capabilities, delivering smoother and more nuanced images that bring creative visions to life with stunning realism. HDR10 support elevates the viewing experience by providing a greater dynamic range, making it ideal for editing high-quality video and achieving superior detail in shadow and highlight areas. The monitor's advanced ergonomics, featuring tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments, ensure maximum comfort during long hours of work, reducing strain and supporting better posture. Additionally, the 90W USB-C connectivity offers a streamlined setup by supporting video, data, and power delivery through a single cable, which is particularly beneficial in maintaining a clean and efficient workspace. The RJ45 interface enhances the setup by ensuring stable and fast internet connections, critical for cloud-based applications and large file transfers. Overall, the ViewSonic VP3268A4K is an outstanding monitor for any graphic designer looking to upgrade their setup in 2025. Its combination of impeccable image quality, thoughtful design, and practical connectivity makes it a valuable tool for creating visually intensive projects with ease and accuracy. Number 2. ASUS ProArt Display PA32 DC, the definitive 4K OLED monitor for graphic designers in 2025. The ASUS ProArt Display PA32 DC emerges as a cutting-edge solution for Best Monitor for Graphic Design 2025, specifically engineered to meet the demanding needs of creative professionals. This 31.5 4K OLED monitor is a powerhouse of technology, designed to deliver unparalleled color fidelity and precision, making it ideal for tasks that require meticulous attention to detail. Outfitted with a built-in motorized colorimeter, the PA32DC ensures continuous color accuracy with a Delta E1, providing designers with confidence that their work will appear exactly as intended, with consistent and precise colors across every project. The monitor covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color space, offering a wide gamut that is essential for high-end video editing and graphic design. The inclusion of USB-C connectivity facilitates a seamless, single-cable connection for data transfer, video input, and power delivery, enhancing workspace efficiency and compatibility with a variety of devices, including laptops and Macs. Auto-calibration further simplifies the maintenance of color accuracy, ensuring the monitor performs at its best without needing manual adjustments frequently. Overall, the ASUS ProArt Display PA32DC stands out in the realm of professional monitors for graphic design. Its commitment to color accuracy, coupled with innovative features like OLED technology and ergonomic design, makes it a top choice for professionals looking to elevate their creative workflow in 2025. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, or animator, this monitor is designed to exceed expectations and enhance your creative potential. Number 1. BenQ PD2705Q Precision meets productivity for graphic design, 2025 inches. The BenQ PD2705Q Mac-ready monitor is an exceptional choice for professionals seeking the best monitor for graphic design 2025. With its 27-inch QHD 1440p display, this monitor combines sharp visuals with advanced color technology to meet the exacting standards of the creative industry. Boasting 100% Rec.709 and sRGB coverage, the PD2705Q guarantees color precision, making it ideal for tasks requiring accurate color reproduction, such as photo editing and graphic design. The Delta E-ASUS 3 rating underscores its capability to display true-to-life colors with minimal deviation, ensuring what you design is what you get in print or digital output. This monitor comes with a calibration report, validating its color accuracy right out of the box, and features ICC Sync and AQ color technology to maintain consistent colors across various devices and media. Ergonomically designed, the PD2705Q includes an adjustable stand that allows for tilt, swivel, and height modifications, promoting a comfortable workspace during long hours of creative work. Connectivity is a breeze with DisplayPort, USB-C with 65W power delivery, and a USB hub that supports daisy chaining, enabling a streamlined and efficient setup. Overall, the BenQ PD2705Q is a powerhouse of functionality and fidelity, crafted to enhance the workflow of modern graphic designers. Its blend of ergonomic features and exceptional color accuracy makes it a top-tier monitor for any professional looking to produce outstanding visual content in 2025.